What's going on with us today? Well, today's a fun day. It begins. We're about to pressure wash all the engine bay, get the Jimmy ready, because we are about to assemble the motor tonight. We have the heads back and all the parts for the big block. So assembly begins tonight. I want it all painted and ready tomorrow so we can drop that thing in. And we have ourselves a brand spanking new built 302 from K&S Machine. That was just shy of $13,000, that motor. That is for the twin turbo F-150 build over here. And we have to go pick up the 61 Biscayne today, the next big block build. So we got lots of fun stuff going on today. So we are now headed to go get the 61 Biscayne build. This car is the first car that I did body and paint on when I was fresh out of body and paint school in 1995. So I'm very excited to get to rectify the very, very first paint job I ever did. We actually get to hopefully complete it this time with a big block. And we get to try out our brand new winch and do a little review on our winch and see how it is compared to the Smitty built winch. Should be a fun little rescue. The car's been sitting there on blocks in the mud for over 2 decades. We'll see how it goes. So here we go. It is sunken into the ground. So we're gonna hook the chain onto it, give it a little tug, pull it out of those holes, and then we're going to see what this new winch we have is like compared to a Smitty build. Over 2 decades it's been sitting. I'm really excited. I love this car. A 61 Biscayne. It's in there. Wow, it doesn't even have a power drain in it. There we go. Oh boy. Well, at least they all roll. Now the fun part, getting it on the trailer. Guess we got to get the ramps down. You're gonna have to lift that exhaust, I guess. That back tire is just skidding. That was the fun part. The exhaust is staying there, I guess. Wow. Got ourselves a Biscayne. So now we are headed to get the race trailer. We have to go pick up a mint little convertible Foxbody Mustang, a collector car that someone's bringing back to life. So now we're going to get a Mustang. So this is why my videos and my thumbnails are so scatterbrained and all over the place, because our day consists of multiple cars all the time. I can't just do a video focusing on one car because we have so many vehicles coming and going all the time and so much to do every day. So you guys get videos packed full of options and I never know what to pick for a thumbnail to draw you in. Is it going to be a Squarebody, a Foxbody, or something weird? But that is our shop. So we got to cold start the beastly, crazy Mercedes. Always a choke issue with this thing. How can you not love this thing? We are now headed to go get a Foxbody convertible Mustang. You guys get to see the lake. Ooh, the lake has thawed at this end. Hoping to soon try the jet boat on there. I guess it's still a little bit frozen. All right, let's go get a Mustang. You're on your own. All right. Now you can bring a jackal dangerous. You guys get to meet Lenny today. Lenny is a cross between a Pomeranian and a Siberian Husky. That's right, he has two colored eyes, and they make these guys in a lab. He's just awesome. He needs a quick walk. He's been riding around the truck. Come on, Lenny. He's been rolling around the truck all day as we're hauling cars. Take him for a little wander in the snow down the airport. Come on, Lenny, let's go. He loves playing in the snow. All right, Lenny, we gotta go to work. It's not playing. We gotta go back to shop. That dog could outrun my Jimmy. He's so fast. So it is here in the shop. We have ourselves a 92 and a half, not a 92, a 92 and a half Mustang Foxbody. This is a summer edition. And we were told this is quite possibly one of only 75 that were in Canada, because it's got the 5-speed. And it has all the original white interior. This customer bought it as a project. It needs a motor, needs a few little things. He wants the body panels all aligned correctly, a little bit of molding work, some weather stripping, a couple of little minor dents that we can pull with our dent puller, and the door lock's punched out. But the weird thing is that the door locks on this thing are kind of chrome and everything else isn't. The only thing that's kind of chrome on that is the door lock and the 5-liter emblem, which someone put in the wrong spot. So we got a couple of little things to solve before it's totally original, and then he is planning on having the original motor rebuilt to stock specs and potentially another motor just for fun. And then he'll keep the original motor alongside to go along with it. Oh yes, this is kind of neat. The wheels are actually pearl. We were just looking these up, and apparently they're going anywhere from $27,500 to a little over 30 grand at Mecum auction. That's US. Mustangs are way up, you guys. But a beautiful car, really nice, clean little one to work on for a couple of days. Oh, and it's getting a full polish too. What else we got going on? Well, we have that motor's all painted, just waiting to go in the hole, but we're waiting on all the couple more brackets for the front suspension to show up from the powder coaters. We can't quite assemble it. And somehow my bottom gear for my big block grew legs, so I had to order a whole new gear set, and I can't put this whole thing together. I guess I could put the top end together, but I have a new gear set coming, and it'll be here probably by tomorrow. So that'll be in the hole in the next day or two. That's a fun day. That's a normal day for us, just so you guys know. That is basically what our life is like every single day. And you guys get to experience it with us.